Hello students, welcome back. Let's solve the exercise question number 9 of chapter 12 electricity from class 10 NCERT science textbook. And the question goes like this. A battery of 9 volt is connected in series with resistors of 0.2 ohm, 0.3 ohm, 0.4 ohm, 0.5 ohm and 12 ohm respectively. How much current would flow through the 12 ohm resistor? Alright, so before we solve this question, let's draw the circuit diagram first. So students, remember, it's advisable to draw the circuit diagrams for these type of questions in electricity chapter and the ray diagrams in case of light chapter, because that will help in understanding the question in a better way and help you solve quickly and easily. So now let's draw the circuit diagram first. Alright, so in this question, we have a circuit in which there are 5 resistors that are connected in series and the value of the resistors are 0.2 ohm, 0.3 ohm, 0.4 ohm, 0.5 ohm and 12 ohm, and they are connected in a circuit whose potential difference is 9 volt. So we have to find out the current flowing. So we have to find out the value of current flowing through the 12 ohm resistor, that is this resistor. Now, as you can see here, all the resistors are connected in series. So the value of the current in this circuit will be determined by the equivalent resistance of all these resistors. So once we find out the equivalent resistance of these resistors, we have the potential difference given over here. So we can find out the current flowing. So let's find out the equivalent resistance first. So these all are connected in series. Rs is equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3 plus R4 plus R5. So R1 is 0.2 ohm plus R2 is 0.3 ohm, R4 is 0.4 ohm, R5 is 0.5 ohm and R5 is 12 ohm. So adding all these up, we get the value of equivalent resistance of this series circuit is 13.4 ohm. So the value of equivalent resistance that we get is 13.4 ohm. Now we have the potential difference V is 9 volt. So now we need to find out the value of current. So we'll apply Ohm's law to find out the value of current. Now it's asked the value of current through the 12 ohm resistor. Now as you can see here, this circuit is a series circuit, and in a series circuit, the same amount of current passes through each of these resistors because the current has only one path to flow. So the current value will remain the same across each resistor. So what will be the current through the 0.2 ohm resistor? That will be the same across the 0.3 through the 0.4 resistor, 0.5 resistor and the 12 ohm resistor. So if we find out the current flowing in the circuit, that will be the same value of current which will be flowing across this 12 ohm resistor. So let's find out. So from Ohm's law, V is equal to IR. So the value of I will be V by R, which is 9 volt, by the value of R we got over here is 13.4 ohm. So the value of current we got is 90 by 134, which is 0.67 ampere. So the current flowing across the 12 ohm resistor is 0.67 ampere, and this is the value of the current which is flowing through the entire circuit. That means the current over here is also 0.67 ampere. This is the answer to this question. So the current flowing through the 12 ohm resistor is 0.67 ampere. So this was also an easy question. I hope you have understood it. If this video was helpful to you, please do like it, share it, and if you are new to this channel, please do consider subscribing. Till then, bye-bye and take care. Please watch the playlist containing the solved physics questions and numericals from the previous year's board exams. I've shared the link of the playlist in the description box. It will be very helpful to you while preparing for your exams.